Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, the 26th of October. I'm James Spann. Another tropical system to deal with this week. We'll see rain moving in here by Wednesday with Zeta. Here we go. This is the upper air look across the country. The big picture got a very deep trough in the western states, back in the southwest, producing some wild winter weather for a lot of our friends there with snow and ice. But around here, things are quiet this morning. That was the radar composite at 428 this morning. Temperatures are mostly in the 60s to start the day. We're expecting a high in the 70s today. Oh boy, look at the numbers out west. You see those lighter shades of blue across parts of Wyoming and Montana, Colorado. Those are sub-zero temperatures this morning, below zero here in October. And many spots way below freezing all across the western states and the Great Plains. We've got winter storm watches for parts of Texas and Oklahoma, where they're going to see some icing issues. Winter storm warnings for parts of New Mexico, Colorado, and West Texas. And out west, more red flag warnings because of the wildfire danger in California. But the eastern half of the country is quiet. Here's the severe weather outlook through tonight. No organized severe weather expected. This is tomorrow. And then Wednesday, day 3, we have a level 1 out of level 5 marginal risk for about the southern half of Alabama. Areas in darker green, that's south of a line from near Livingston over to Brent and Rockford and Lake Martin. And this will probably change, but there could be a few brief isolated tornadoes as Zeta comes inland late Wednesday or Wednesday night. And much more about that situation in just a second. This is the precipitation for the next 7 days. Of course, a lot down here because of the tropical system. For most of Alabama, rain amounts expected to be in the 2 to 3 inch range Wednesday night, and Thursday morning. This thing's going to be moving pretty quickly, so that will limit the flooding potential. We don't expect any flooding issues. But let's look at Zeta. Continues to get better organized. Top winds up to 70 miles an hour. This will likely be a hurricane by the time you watch this. And this will be coming out across the tip of the Yucatan. Again, around Cancun as a minimal hurricane tonight. And then curving up into the Gulf. And then making landfall on the southeast Louisiana coast late Wednesday or Wednesday night is a tropical storm. It should weaken at that point. Modeling in very good agreement. This is the GFS ensemble. The intensity guidance, you can see the drop-off is the system moves up into the northern Gulf because of considerably cooler water and strong winds aloft. In fact, here's a look at the SSTs, the sea surface temperatures. And again, you can see those shades of yellow temperatures have come way down in recent weeks over the northern Gulf. But tropical storms can still create some problems. So let's go through the modeling here. This is the GFS, the 06C run at 4 o'clock today. There's your big western trough producing snow and ice out there. There's the surface chart. Snow for parts of Colorado, Kansas, the Texas Panhandle, New Mexico. Ice for parts of Oklahoma and northwest Texas. Just a big old late October mess. But around here, things should be pretty quiet today. We'll call it partially sunny with temperatures in the 70s. And for some, clouds might hang tough much of the day like yesterday. This is tomorrow. Again, a nasty ice situation for the western half of Oklahoma and parts of the Texas Panhandle and the South Plains. But for us, the northern half of the state should be dry, maybe a few scattered showers for the south. Pretty warm day, highs 77 to 80. Now, this is Wednesday. This is at 4 o'clock, and the GFS depicting Zeta into southeast Louisiana. There's a tropical storm, and rain becomes widespread across Alabama on Wednesday, probably starting maybe late Tuesday night. Wednesday, just a really wet day. And in terms of the impact on the Alabama Gulf Coast and the Florida Panhandle, winds probably gusting to 40, 45, maybe up to 50 miles per hour for the Alabama Gulf Coast. But this is not the kind of thing that's going to create major damage or widespread trees down. This will be just a windy type situation. And again, it's going to be moving in a good clip. Obviously, the big issues are rip currents. Obviously, double red flags will be flying on the Gulf Coast. And again, the possibility of a few isolated waterspouts or tornadoes on the Gulf Coast. Wednesday and Wednesday night. Let's go to Wednesday night, just after midnight. This is 1 a.m. Thursday. The GFS depicting the circulation of Zeta over west central Alabama, around Camden or Selma. We do note the European is much slower. It's got the thing back over Louisiana Wednesday night. And quite frankly, the GFS has performed pretty well here recently, and I think that faster forward motion is right. It's going to be picked up pretty quickly by the westerlies. And then Thursday, the remnant circulation is up in Virginia. And for us during the day Thursday, rain will likely end from west to east. Thursday morning should be wet. For some, Thursday afternoon could be dry. And then Friday, it's all out of here. Should be a great day. We start the day upper 40s, the high close to 70. Just beautiful fall weather. After these tropical systems, the weather tends to be really nice. This is Saturday. Looks good. Halloween. Partly sunny with a high close to 70. A little upper trough will be swinging through here, but I think the air is going to be too dry for any meaningful rain. This is Sunday, November 1st. We go back on standard time, depicting showers east of the state with that trough. High should be around 70. And this is a week from today, Monday the 2nd of November. Look at the ridge building over the continental United States. So for our friends that are buried in snow and ice, it'll feel much better next week. And again, for us, looks great. Lows in the 40s, highs, low 70s. Just perfect weather. We'll go out 10 days. This is Wednesday of next week, the 4th of November. Ridging building here, and again, we're dry. This is the rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean about 1.5 inches, and the bulk of that will be with Zeta Wednesday night, and Thursday. Temperatures come on down after the passage of the tropical system. Highs dropping in the mid to upper 60s on Friday and Saturday. Temperatures very seasonal as we go into early November. And the latest CPC outlook, November 2nd through the 8th, showing temperatures here could be a little above average if this verifies. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
There are better ways to keep cool. Call KS Services and receive a new Bryant unit with no payments and no interest for 18 months. Stay cool now and pay later. Visit callks.com for more.